The KIWA SLAM program has been designed to work with partners to create transformative experiences.
So we let imagination run wild, like just let all the ideas pop in your head.
It was epic fun.
Delivered over 2 days, it allows team members to capture their stories in a world-class digital book.
It isn't just writing a story, there's all these different facets that come in that they get exposed to.
The first day is around figuring out their own identities as individuals and then how they're going to fit and work together as a team. So we create an environment that makes it very safe and gives a lot of freedom and a lot of scope to move around and test out ideas. Day 2 is focused on creating illustrations, typing, printing the story, scanning the pages and producing a voiceover. But then being able to take those assets and put them into a really 21st century digital format is where you get the cool factor. The ability for the team members to have their stories up on the App Store means they are internationally published authors. Suddenly you're global.
You see how their friends and their family are reacting to them as well, because that sense of pride that their children have been able to deliver this amazing work.
I'm very proud of them.
The results really do speak for themselves.